Guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It has been a little bit since I have filmed. I will get into that in the beginning of this video, but today we are trying out the Soft Pinch Contouring Liquid Contour from Rare Beauty. I got this in the shade Gentle. We are going to be creating this soft beautiful makeup look today. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this makeup look just using the liquid contour, then just keep watching. It always feels a little bit awkward to start a video again once you haven't filmed in a while, like you're just sitting here and trying to prep yourself to sit and talk into a camera. So yeah, it feels a little silly, but I have been filming for a bit, like 2 weeks. I know that's not that long, but it feels like a long time. I've just been dealing with these random like hives that I've been getting for the past couple weeks at night. They flare up really bad at night and then subside during the day. The doctor at the hospital said they look like idiopathic hives. I think that's what he called them. Basically, there's no known cause and they should resolve on their own, but I think I'm gonna have to get a second opinion on that. Anyways, just been feeling really blah and like not myself, not being able to use self-tanner and use products and all that stuff and color my roots. My roots feel long, but like I'm gonna get the hives regardless. I've been so diligent at being proactive in not using stuff that I'm like, they come at night anyway, so let's just play with makeup. So we're gonna try out the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Contouring Liquid. I got it in the shade Gentle. They didn't have the shade that I thought would be best, but after kind of layering this on my hand, it felt like this would be a nice shade for me, and I do like that it's cooler toned for more of a contour. So it's a dewy, weightless, and easy to blend liquid contour that goes on, that can go from softly sculpted to instantly defined. So yes, we like that. We like it to have either option if we want to just have a softened look or a chiseled cheekbone. It can do both. So let's get started. I'm going to go in with my Super Goop Glow Screen SPF of 40. I've still been using this here and there if I have to go to work, and it's very light on the skin and doesn't irritate it at all, so just nice to have a little bit of something on the skin when you're feeling really blah. So let me know in the comments if you guys have ever dealt with hives and like what is your best tips for kind of helping keeping them under control and just being comfortable. Just a little bit of this product just gives you just that instant feeling of like freshness to the skin and already feels a little bit better. So I'm going to go in with my Super Boost. I have this in the shade 5 Skin Tint from Makeup Forever. This is also a product that just makes my skin feel and look so much better. Just a sheer wash of like filter over the skin. Blend that out with my BK 101 brush, BK Beauty. So I binge watched The Secret Lives of Mormon Wives season 2. Oh my gosh. Just watching that show is like a train wreck that you just can't look away from. And just how it all, I don't know, how you can see the dynamic of friendships and all that, just like, oh my gosh, just so crazy. And the amount of times that they say mom talk in that show is like, it's comical almost. Like, this isn't going to be good for mom talk, mom talk, mom talk. But I super enjoy it. It's a guilty pleasure, and yeah. The girls seem fun. Some of them. For my concealer, I want to use something a little bit lighter today, so I'm going back with my Sephora Best Skin Ever Glow Concealer Multi-Purpose Luminous Concealer in the shade 25, and just want a little bit of coverage and luminosity around the eye area. Also been watching sports, been watching the basketball finals, Pacers versus OKC. I want OKC to win. Canadian, Shea, we want a win for Canada. And it's cool, they're the youngest team in the NBA, so that's been fun. And watching the hockey, because I'm obsessed with hockey, Canadian girly. It's so cool to see Taylor and Travis there watching, but not cheering for the same team as us. But just funny to see them there. So this is just a light, glowy finish. And I haven't tried the Hourglass brush with any other concealer yet than the Hourglass concealer that I bought. So this is actually blending out super beautifully. Works really well with these lighter concealers. The Hourglass is a little bit thicker, but this is actually a great brush for something a little bit more liquidy. On the count of 3, who are your favorite Mormon wives girlies on the show? 1, 2, 3. Macy, Michaela, Taylor. Those are my favorite girls on the show, just because I feel like even though Taylor has like a lot of things going on and like she's struggling, I feel like she's just authentic. Same with Michaela, same with Macy. I feel like they are the most authentic, not saying that they're the nicest or they're the best, but just I feel like the other girls kind of are very wishy-washy. But what do I know? It's reality TV. They can spin it however they want to. I'm going to paint on my Sachu lip liner Stay In. This is such a good stay on, peel off lip liner. I love to do this even if I'm just not wearing any makeup. Voila, I let that sit for a couple minutes, and I have this in the shade Hazel 04. So I peeled off the lip liner. I didn't leave it on too long, and I had a little bit of gloss on my lips, so it's just more of a natural kind of wash around the lip and just makes your lips look a little bit fuller. Hopefully it's not too loud in the background. I have my window open just for some fresh air and just, yeah, to hear the breeze, but there is like dogs barking, lawnmower, I think a fire truck went by, airplane, so hopefully it's not too loud. So let's get into the contour. So this is the bottle. I'm sure most of you seen or have tried this already. Just swiping it on my hand and trying a little bit on my cheeks yesterday. I knew I was gonna love, love, love this product, and just the size of it, like the quantity that you get for the price is really, really good. So for this size of bottle, I don't know if it matters if I tell you the ounces, 0.50 ounces, 14 milliliters. It's only $40, and just like comparing that to some of the other liquid contours, they're usually same price range, but like less product or just even less product and more. So I think, sorry, that's just a lot of random information. You're getting a lot of product, I feel like, for the price. So let's try this out. Just gonna dot it on, and I'm just gonna dot it on one side of the face first, just to maybe get a feel for the before and after. Like for me, without any self-tanner, I feel like this is probably the best color, and my skin is really natural right now, so I think it is probably the best shade. It blends out like a dream, let me tell you. And just so natural looking, just dewy right into the skin, but like dries down really nicely as well. So such a natural finish, like it almost looks the same, it's just intensified. Got a little bit more color on one side, but how pretty. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's so, so gorgeous on the skin. Let's blend it out on the other side. I think I need to try her highlighters now too, and maybe a different shade of blush. Like Rare Beauty is definitely where it's at for the price and quality and quantity of product. I might go with a little bit under my eye, and just the shape of the dofa gives you like access to just kind of do dots, or the tip right here is like more of a precise edge, so you can kind of get in tighter in certain areas, and like works really well on the nose, so like you could even go around the lips and contour a little bit more there. What a stunning product. And like multi-use, like I just used it for contour, for a little bit of kind of eyeshadow eyeliner look around the lips. I can even just go in a little bit more on the cheeks for a little bit more color there. Like just accentuated the lips so nicely. So it looks super neutral when you dot it on, but then it does have some warmth to it. And this is the lightest shade. I am loving this, you guys. Like that is where it's at. Oh my gosh. Such a good multi-use product, and just looks so good on the skin, blends like a dream. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Tower 28 just to add a little bit of golden bronze to the cheeks, as well as a little bit more dewiness and highlighted look. So I'm just going up on the apples of the cheeks and up onto the top part of my cheekbone. And I might highlight my nose a little bit more as well. I'm gonna take my Sephora Colorful Luminizer and the shade Ice Pearl and my finger and just add a little bit more highlight. Alrighty, so I put on some mascara to finish up the look. I am not going any further with this look. I think it is perfect kind of everyday monochromatic makeup look that I have done. I love it. I knew that I really liked the feel and the way that this blended out yesterday, so to put it all over my face, I'm so pleased with how well this product works and how many things you can use it for, like eyeshadow, lips, nose contour, bronzer contour, all over the face. Looks so, so good. So definitely check this one out if you are in the market for a new liquid contour. You will not be disappointed. So thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for watching my channel, and I will see you guys again soon.